सुहागा प्रभु जी, तुम चंदन हम पानी पानी, जाकी अंग अंग बास समानी, जाकी अंग अंग बास समानी प्रभु जी।
हेलो एंड गुड आफ्टरनून रेडियो जिंदगी लिसनर्स, नए साल में स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से। शो वही है आपका अपना पुराना दिल की बात उषा जी के साथ। फ्राइडे को एक बार फिर से ले आए हैं उषा जी को आपकी रूबरू, जहां पर आप बात कर सकते हैं, उनसे कोई सवाल पूछ सकते हैं इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस। उषा जी, हु इज अ स्पिरिचुअल एडवाइजर, अ साइकिक हीलर, and she also possesses clairvoyant powers, and with her abilities she is answering your questions. Again, this is a live show. Studio line पर call कर सकते हैं आप अभी 510-770-1550. That's studio line's number where you can call right now to talk to Usha ji. और अगर उनसे डायरेक्टली बात करना चाहते हैं डिटेल कंसल्टेशन के लिए, सीधा लगाइए फोन 925-827-2033 पर। ushaji.org and ushaji.com are the website where you'll get all the information about her. Again, it's ushaji.org and ushaji.com. ईमेल भी कर सकते हैं usha@ushaji.org पर। और अभी अगर कॉल करना चाहते हैं, अगेन द स्टूडियो लाइन नंबर इज 510-770-1550. With that, hello and welcome Usha ji. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, especially to you and everyone at Radio Zindagi Vedika, and to all my dear listeners, wishing you the best for 2026. May your health be glorious. May your goals be accomplished, and may you have the energy to deal with everything in the best way possible. And of course, if you're listening to the show and you've been following my show, thank you. Thank you for doing that. And, if there's something that you're wondering, if you're at a crossroads, कि क्या decision करें, क्या फैसला करें, or you're feeling unsure about this brand new year, and you want clarity, you want peace in your heart, you want certain confirmations, and you feel called, but you don't understand why, and you're listening to the show, and you feel like you want to call in, because that is the universe telling you that you are ready to take action. And if you're ready to take action, I am here to help you get you the clarity you need. Vedika, a few weeks ago, I was talking to a client, and one of them called after 12-13 years, and she called just asking, is she still around? And my assistant urgent said, yes. And she was like, oh my God, thank God. Right? She was like, who knows, unki kya umar thi, 12-13 saal ho gaye, she's still around, And the other one said that I just get so much clarity after I talk with you, and that made me think about it. And I said, yes, that's been my job, to show people clearly what they're going through, how they are influencing their life by certain actions or words they say, or in their relationships, what's going on in their lives financially, the spiritual success, everything, that people get clarity. So when they ask, what should we expect from our session? I think that is the one word that my client used that I truly feel has been literally my job, has been to make it clear for people, right? So you will get that clarity if you're calling in. And is your soul ready for this year? Physically you're thinking, I want to be healthy, I want to be able to make sure कि मैं सब कुछ जो चाहता हूँ कर पाऊँ. But how are you preparing your soul for this new year? And it's not just about what are you physically ready for, but how are you emotionally ready, where you feel that your soul is ready. What state is your soul in, right? How much time do you spend? I know I always talk about meditation, taking a few minutes out of your busy day and meditating. Thoda sa dhyan lagaएं. On what? On just maybe light a candle. That's it. दीप जलाओ, नहीं जलाना, घी को नहीं गर्म करना. घी की आजकल बनी बनाई बत्तियां मिलती हैं, I was like, wow, just take it out of the container and pop it in the diya, right? So things have become so user friendly, and preparation is at minimum because we all understand. And the other day I was talking to a client and she said, आज मैंने पहली बार 20 सालों में सत्यनारायण की कथा की घर पे. And I said, okay, that's great. She goes, अपने आप ही की मैंने. I didn't call anyone. She goes, Usha ji, you always told me सत्यनारायण की कथा करो, सत्यनारायण की कथा करो. And I said, all this time नहीं किया, सुना ही नहीं. She goes, नहीं, नियत थी, हो नहीं पाया. Right. And I said, okay. And she goes, but it was so exhausting. सब कुछ तैयार करने में, मैंने ये बनाया, वो बनाया, फलां किया, ये किया. And I said, क्या जरूरत थी? She goes, because that's the way you're supposed to do it. And I'm like, किसने कहा? And she goes, this is how you do it. I said, even if you just kept some water and you did your katha, I truly believe, and there may be many of you quite upset by hearing me say that, but you don't need all of that, You just need to be there. And if I had seen that she needs to do the Satnarayan Katha, that means the Katha mein jo kahaniyan hai, I had felt a need that she needs to hear those stories, and those are like fables, right? कि lesson सीखते हैं उससे. कि उसने कथा की तो उसके husband की कश्ती उसको दिख गई. मतलब it's a collection of stories,
right?
And the collection of stories is so that you can make your heart believe that by doing this prayer that you are going to receive whatever you're asking for. And we're all God's children. Children, बच्चों का काम है मांगना. So we ask God for so much stuff every single day. Even when we are saying, let us keep us healthy in this year, we're asking the universe or the God or whoever you believe in. I'm a pakka religious person, right? So I believe that we're asking as a child to get what we want. And in order to pursue that, कि ये सारे जो नाज नखरे हैं कि ये भी करना है वो, because she said, मैं इतनी थक गई, मुझे 3 घंटे लग गए, मैंने मिठाई बनाई, मैंने ये बनाया, मैंने सब्जी बनाई, मैंने फलां किए, मैं फूल खरीद के आई, मैंने ये. I said, then you will never do it again for another 20 years now.
Right.
For so many years I've been telling you to do that katha. That means I kept hearing कि she should do that because उससे इसकी आत्मा को थोड़ी सी शांति मिलेगी, इसके मन की आशा, उसका करिश्मा मिलेगा, miracle of receiving. Right.
Yeah. I think the purpose, she didn't understand the purpose and she got busy with the pump and show around it.
Yeah, everything, all the pump and show around it.
Yes.
Right. It's like wishing a birthday. People go, I didn't take her cake, I didn't take her flowers. I say you went with your heart to wish your friend a happy birthday.
So true.
That's what counted. That's what counted. Doesn't matter. Didn't show up with a gift, didn't show up with flowers. You were there.
Absolutely.
That's what counts.
And that's what we learn after listening to you each week. What are the important things we should not forget? So thank you for being there, reminding us, and thank God that you are here. So listeners,
I'm still here. I agree. Thank God I'm still here.
So listeners, once again reminding you all, सुन रहे हैं आप दिल की बात उषा जी के साथ. कॉल कर सकते हैं स्टूडियो लाइन पे. Again, the number is 510-770-1550. Usha ji, there has been a caller waiting since the beginning, so let's take a quick call.
Oh my goodness. Well, thank you for being so patient, dear caller. And yes, let's take the caller on air, Vedika.
Hello, you're on air. Thanks for holding.
Hi, namaste, Shahi.
Namaste, beta. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. मेरे पास एक जनरल क्वेश्चन था उसके लिए.
नहीं, but आप हैं कौन? इसका नाम क्या बेटा?
मैं जानवी हूँ.
I'm sorry, क्या नाम है?
Janvi.
जानवी, हाँ.
Janvi. And how old are you, beta?
25.
25. Okay, जी. Ask away. What is your question?
तो मैं अभी सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर हूँ. मुझे मेरा जॉब अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन मुझे कुछ और करना है. मेरे को थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, या मैं श्योर नहीं सुन रही मेरे को क्या करना है. मैं बिजनेस को भी अप्लाई करने का सोच रही हूँ. तो मतलब ये था कि अच्छे में होगा कि नहीं. तो बस मुझे जनरल पूछना था करियर के बारे में.
So, what kind of work are you doing right now?
अभी सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर हूँ.
I'm sorry, क्या हो बेटा?
Software
सॉफ्टवेयर
engineer.
इंजीनियर.
Software engineer. Okay. And कितना टाइम हो गया काम करते हुए?
3 साल.
3 साल हो गए. Okay, बेटा. And are you looking for something completely different? या क्या सोच रहे हो?
हाँ, मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मतलब बिल्कुल डिफरेंट नहीं, टेक स्पेस में, लेकिन एक डिफरेंट टाइप का जॉब जिसमें थोड़ा और बिजनेस से रिलेटेड हो और उस मतलब जिस चीजों को कंबाइन कर पाए, तो इसलिए मैं बिजनेस स्कूल का भी अप्लाई करने का सोच रही थी.
Okay, so I saw that you can already apply in a different department, different kind of a company, not the kind of a company or the division that you're working in, but something that is related to that and changing what you do, because मैंने तो देखा कि बोर हो गए जॉब से. That's what I saw. I saw that you're looking for growth, but you're not sure because you just don't want to do what you're doing today. So my advice would be, look for a different and a new job, because डर भी है कि जॉब छोड़ना भी नहीं है, लेकिन you're ready for promotion. You are ready for the next level is what I saw. And you need to apply for it. अपने आप तो नहीं आनी, right? But you're very creative. And I saw कि वो creative energy आप use नहीं कर रहे हो. And that is where you feel कि आगे चल के I want to own a business. And I saw कि it's something to do with beauty type stuff, you know. So look into it. Yeah, see, thank you for validating. You don't really need to go and study that, then change your job. Look for a different type of work where you can apply what you know already, and look into the beauty area to see what defines you and how you find it interesting. Because I saw you had modeling ka shauq, you wanted to be on camera, you want to do things personally, which you've not done yet.
हाँ, एक्चुअली मैंने इस साल शासन में मैंने कंटेंट क्रिएशन शुरू किया.
Okay,
एक साल से कर रही हूँ. हाँ.
Okay, so see, thank you for validating. Dear listeners, I have no idea किसका call है, right? It's not like we tell people कि फलां टाइम पे कॉल करना, अभी आप हमें अपना सारा कुछ बता दो, so that Usha ji looks good on air, okay? So that's never the case. It's a random call. That's why I didn't even know कि है कौन. But देखो ना बेटा, go into that. Do it as a hobby. Do it as a sideline, side hustle. आजकल everybody's talking about side hustles, right? So do it as a side hustle. And then let's talk in a few months, because by that time I know that you will have already achieved a few things. Good luck. Good luck. Thank you so much for listening and calling in.
Of course, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your call. If you have further questions, you can always connect with Usha ji directly by calling 925-827-2033. Again, listeners, Usha ji ka direct number hai 925-827-2033. And the website for all the information regarding her is ushag.org and ushag.com. Abhi call kar sakte hain. We have 10 more minutes in the show. If you have any question about the coming year, I mean the year we are here in, or anything about yourself, your loved ones, feel free to call us at 510-770-1550 for one quick question. Ji Usha ji, now we have to change the practice of coming year. It's here. We are in 2026.
We're here. And I wonder how many times we will still be writing 25 and then be correcting it to make it 26.
Yeah, that's I think every year's norm. That won't change. We get so used to things that then it's hard. First it's hard to catch and then it's hard to leave.
Bilkul, it took 12 months to form the habit of writing 2025. So it shouldn't take 12 months to start writing 2026.
We can give at least a week. A buffer of a week for everyone. Ji Usha ji. So
Exactly.
any important reminders you would like to give all of us for this year?
Absolutely. Number one, the supreme thing is to understand that your health does not stay good by itself. You have to evaluate and make sure what are you eating and how are you eating it, what time are you eating, what quantity are you eating, is it fulfilling just your taste buds or what your body needs, you know, because that's very important. I honestly have spoken to so many people and they take it for granted. In fact, even a friend of mine, I saw her just a couple of weeks ago, and she goes, oh, I'm on medication, you know, and she points to her heart. I said, wait, what's going on with your heart? She goes, with everybody's taking cholesterol, right? And I said, so what changes have you made? She goes, I'm taking a medicine. That's a big change. And I said, no, it's not. She goes, yeah, but the numbers are better now that I'm on the medicine. And I said, and what if you stop taking the medicine? She goes, what are you saying? Why would I stop taking my cholesterol medicine? And I said, because it is fixable by what you eat. And bada dubli patli hai. It's not like she's overweight or something like that. She's pretty reasonable in her weight and height ratio and everything. But it's the kind of, she goes, I don't like vegetables. मुझे सिर्फ आलू पसंद है. And I'm like, but वो भी छिलके खा रहे हो. आलू की जो सारी ताकत है उसके छिलके में. But कौन सा देसी वो छिलके वाले आलू खाता है? Right? Yeah. And I know, हाँ, वही तो. And I said, because शुरू से आदत है सब कुछ छील के खाओ. Apple भी छील के खाओ. Right? But yeah, there are some fruits that we do not eat the skin. Oranges, we don't eat the skin. But I do put a whole orange in when I'm making a smoothie because there's a lot of nutritional value in the skin of an orange, right? When I'm making a smoothie, I also put in the whole green, white, sara hissa of a watermelon because they have a lot of nutritional value, right? ऐसे chop करके नहीं खाते, पर smoothie में डाल सकते हो, and it can all be just really smooth and flavorful, and you can. So she was like, yeah, but it's too much trouble. I said, it's too much trouble for you to remember to take your pill. So that made me think. I said, that is the attitude so many people have. Diabetes hai, dawai kha rahe. Cholesterol hai, dawai kha rahe. No, you can reverse those by paying attention. Food is medicine. Food has all these values that you can actually introduce to your body and make sure that you can get off many of those preventable medications. I'm not saying today just stop taking your medicine and just drink your smoothies and eat very well. No, but you can take your time and gradually wean off them so that you can recognize that I don't need to be on these medications in order to be around and stay healthy. Anything we put in our bodies will have a reaction. Remember that. Positive and negative. Right? Dono honge. Sorry. I had shut the door, but she squeezed in. So now she's here. And you have to recognize what your body needs and what you should be helping yourself with. Because honestly, jo kahavat hai, jaan hai to jahan hai, it is very true. And whether you're young or old or in between, doesn't matter. Creating a better habit of what foods you reach out to will pay its dividends in the best of health for you for the longest time possible. Remember that, so it's essential. Because as we get older, we are going to see many of our loved ones and friends and relatives lose their good quality of health. Remember that. We are going to be, unfortunately, see the passing away of many of our loved ones. As we get older, we'll see that happen. And when I see that happen to friends and relatives, I think about what they could have done differently and how they could have avoided being so sick that it caused them to pass away, and they could have helped themselves stay so much more healthier. And I think with that, the energy level increases, and if you have more energy, you want to do more. एक जुस्तजू होती है ना, एक एनर्जी होती है अंदर से, right? ये भी कर पा सकता हूँ मैं, वो भी कर पा सकती हूँ, right? तो वो जो सारी थकन फील हो रही है ना, evaluate कि आप क्या खा पी रहे हो, and that will make a huge difference to how 2026 is going to end up for you. क्योंकि अब तो December 31st इतना दूर लग रहा है, right? कि 12 महीने into the next December 31st, right? And I always suggest, if you're writing your goals down at the beginning of the year, then be kind to yourself. Don't put down certain goals that अरे पिछले साल भी मेरी लिस्ट में थे और इस साल भी मेरी लिस्ट में है और ऐसे ही चलेगा, right? Because you're already defeating your purpose, So make sure that you're kind to yourself. Take a few minutes for your soul. Light a candle. थोड़ा सा ध्यान करो. Whatever your religion, just sit down if nothing else, कि भाई मुझे meditation मुझसे नहीं हो रहा, right? So then at least just sit down for those few minutes and count your blessings. What are you thankful for? Because just saying what you're thankful for will help you feel lighter and better. Because I get clients, Usha ji, nothing is working out. And I think I've said that. And वो एक चीज में ना खुश होंगे तो उनको लगेगा nothing else is working out. But if you're enjoying good health, shukr karo you have good health. If you are surrounded by family, so shukr karo you're surrounded by family. Even if it's a spouse you're warring with, at least you know you have a partner. Right?
Somebody to fight with.
If you have a job, you're earning a good income, shukr karo ki wo hai. Don't bring in at that time the bitterness. 5 साल से मुझे promotion नहीं मिली या 6 साल से मेरा कुछ और नहीं लगा. कुछ तो है ना हाथ में. जो भी है हाथ में उसका शुक्राना करें. उससे मन इतना हल्का होगा. That means you are looking after your soul. Let your soul know what things are going right for you.
Thank you so much, Usha ji, and that definitely gave a great start to all of us, whoever is listening to the show right now. And listeners, if you want to talk to Usha ji, if you want to know about things, any confusion you're dealing with in life, any negativity which is surrounding you, and you just want to talk to somebody, do call 925-827-2033, ushaji.org and ushaji.com. That's the website, ushaji.com and ushaji.org. और email भी कर सकते हैं usha@ushaji.org पे. With that, we are out of our show time today. Thank you so much, Usha ji, for joining us.
My pleasure. And of course, give me a call anytime. Vedika has shared my website, my phone number. Follow me on Facebook. My intention, my goal for this year is to be active on social media. I am terrible about that and I need to be doing that. So hopefully you'll see a lot more posts and reels and everything. So
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you again, Usha ji, and thank you to all the listeners for tuning in. सुन रहे हैं आप रेडियो जिंदगी. Stay tuned.